Hi, my name is David, and in this short video we're going to have a look at processing, which is an open source programming language and environment for people who want to program images, animations and interactions. We're going to be having a look at creating static images and animations of GPS route data on a walking path. The first thing we'll do is we'll open processing. Processing is just a Java-based application which runs on Windows, PCs, Macs and on Linux-based computers. So I've already got one application created here called load file to Annie for animation. Let's open that up. This is all the code that I've got in here. We can have a look through that separately, but if I just go ahead and run this, what we'll see is a second window is going to pop up which shows us our points. I've got a couple of debug lines going on down here in the IDE, but we can see the points here are becoming animated and they're appearing up as they're showing up on the screen. So let's have a quick, I'll keep that running, I'll just open up Finder in the background here so we can have a look at what's going on in this application. So I'm just going to have a quick look here. This processing saves its files in this folder that it creates. I'm not sure how it works on a Windows machine, but it creates little subfolders for all of the applications that you're running. So this one here is the one that I've created called load file to Annie, which is running in the background here. So this here, load file to Annie.pde is the processing source file, which if I just have a quick look at this, will it doesn't show up, but that's alright. That's the same code as what we've got in here. So we'll just go back here again, and in here in the same folder I've also got this positions.csv file. So I have a quick browse at this. What we can see here is we've got two columns. It's a CSV file, simply because it's a bit easy to program with my Java knowledge, containing a column of longitude and latitude coordinates, which basically that's all it is there. If we go down to a point, let's see if I can find one. It changes. If we put here, we've got longitude and latitude again, it just means it's coming up to a new track, so the program knows to change the color. So our animation's all finished by now, so it's all actually I haven't bounded the array quite properly, so it's coming to a little bit of runtime, but it's finished all the data. As we can see here, we've got our different tracks. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that little tiny one there which we might recall from earlier. So that's a brief introduction to processing.